Welcome. In front of me is an Oscal Tiger 12, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Somewhere in here you'll find the battery saver toggle. For me it is on the first page, but if you don't see it on the same spot where it is for me, you might need to swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. In any case, once you see the toggle, simply tap on it and select turn on, and there you go, your power saving mode is now enabled. Now it does turn on dark mode, and additionally things like refresh rates, notification, delivery might be delayed, and some other stuff might be happening in the background. So just be aware of it. Whatever is happening that you might not be used to could be caused by the actual power saving mode. Anyway, once you're done, you can swipe down again to bring up your panel, tap on the toggle once again, and this will turn it off and obviously revert all the changes. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.